Jamaica good life. This is a fish. That's how we deal with it, you know. Girl, take up here. Give me a piece of the yam. Normally, crew that make sure me have a plate. Or leave. So we have to get a piece of yam with this. You see, the environment around the place around here is so nice. You see the people that might wait for the fish and thing. You see the people. They just go for the tree and hug the leaf and thing. See a fish there. A Jamaica with it. And the real life, fresh from the ocean, right on the grill. And we still live. Go for a piece of yam now. And then you put a little piece of herb beside it. So everybody on you? Are you brother?
Yeah, little brother.
You little brother?
I'm in the brother, man. Yeah, you can eat this. Eat this. I'm in the brother, man. Blood, brother, come out of one man. And then I'll go out a pop picnic. So we're different, it's out of one man. Real brother. Yeah, man, I'm a real brother. I'm keeping that man. And that man, brother. Love you, man.
Talk to Terry. Talk to Terry.
I'm in this type problem.
Save up for the TV. Jamaica, I saw them treat me down at the ocean. I saw them treat me. Them treat me good. Them treat me good. Because me treat them good. Them treat good life. See the good life there. So the man them can fly in and come check on us.
My police are like
The whole world.
Even go. Well, proper. Good life. I got 4 minutes. God just to bless you, you know.
Rich in a health, man. And long life, man. Rich in a health and long life, you know. And we know if we do it, so we have to survive.
Yeah, man.
A long time, man. I don't know. A long time.
Tradition.
And I know some have ambition in China to go back. You know, look for politics and some.
Yeah.
Conspiracy thing and
And try to underplay with intellect, with them intelligence.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play that game the same way, you know.
So how does Jamaica look up to Ono? Them look up to Ono?
yeah, man. I'm doing it right now.
And that's the influence, man. And the thing global in Jamaica alone, me I tell you, man. Things global, man. Things
Let me have some, please.
Good life, yeah, believe and see life.
Good life.
We enjoy it, and we love it.
Give thanks, brother.
Yes, John.
Feed the people. Good life.
I just do family.
Yeah. He go by river crazy for them Buddha. The more time you eat chances, so look on them. This is what we talk about. We can't talk too long, I'm mouth full.
Yeah, do your thing.
We know we eat them in the car. We can separate the bone quick from the fish. You see the bone them, you have to have the finger and take out the bone because we know what they like.
These are the things that we eat in Jamaica and the beach. And in Montego Bay, we love fish. We love seafood. We don't eat Babylon food.
How much you pay for that?
Yeah.
How much you pay for that?
$16 for each one of them.
Eh?
You cut it out on my ball.
Eh?
Yeah, and that's my ball idea.
Yeah, man. So you're for your family?
Yeah, no, myself, I'm going to roast them here.
For yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, but I'm your family.
Yeah.
That's a good one, yeah, right. Just like that.
The man say, you can't do nothing for yourself.
I. Yes.
When you fall out of the camp, I say, where are you do? This is for we.
You know what I'm going to come here.
Them never.
Yeah, we go to the chef because without the chef, them food are really possible because any animal can make people eat and enjoy themselves and go back from curfew or right on time. So, I will think of the chef, really love to do the big up, we got to promote and big up everyone. You know, and big up the video man, that's steady hand.
Jamaica Good Life, the program name. So,
The man just come and feel and say, yo, you want video with. We just see man quite inside story. And PC good. I'm make a bigger England. You have to respect that, make you a biggest cycle. And you can't just still can't live like that.
me see how you're moving.
I just love.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Entertainment, enjoyment.
Wow.
Family.
Wow. Look at that. Wow.
The big boat on the seaside, the big old white boat there. And them boat over on the seafront, the big old white boat there.
That one that you take.
Yeah, man, them boat over on the seafront.
Wow.
We have good life.
Wow.
But take care of the family when you left behind.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
One order. Let me tell you something, I'm proud of you. Come over here, man, talk to you. Brother, you love everything. Good. Love, brother.
That's the one. Pull them, man. You go out already.
I don't know that.
Oh, we're done now. Work for you.
Sunday be England, Thailand. Okay.
But I near up, lollipop here.
Okay.
Eh? Yeah, they got, so we have to cover them. Against wildlife.
Them young man, we can't get themselves here. Not the hills, you know. Not the hills, we're not selling for the
Yeah, get trouble by somebody see you with it.
We are selling them, people don't know about the law.
Walk with me.
We are them going to the hill.
Later, brother. I'm proud of you. You have a long, listen to me, God. I want you to listen to me now. I want you to listen to me. You have a long journey ahead of you. You see? And we bring the Freedom Key.
Yeah.
Him have a lot of video.
Yeah.
And you, 2 years from now, you're gonna be a great teacher upon this mission to liberate their mind.
Go somewhere.
I'm gonna send you the link. Get your phone.
Go somewhere.
You go happy. Because it take warriors like you to reach the ghetto youth them. Because I tried it for a while and when we meet
You
man
have
like
to street
you.
man, you have to real street smart for them listen to you too, you know.
Yeah.
Cause sometimes the education not going away with the youth them in the street.
Yeah, yeah.
Cause they say education. Right now the youth them say education and nothing. Cause that does money they say.
Yeah, yeah.
So when amongst them and you deal with money and you educate them, then we take on to the knowledge. Cause the youth them not the nowadays youth not the ghetto youth them come like them they say education and nothing. That just money they say.
Straight money.
Money they say.
But with you, carry on the torch. That's how I said to you, I'm proud of you. Cause you have it. Me hear your reasoning, you know. You're not normal, you know. You're not normal, you know. You're in one league by yourself, you know.
Watch out now. God bless me, you know, my friend. I have 6 youth, right? I'm going to do 1 make 7. 2 make 8. Cause the woman they have 4 people before me take him and take him up with 6. And you know say, come out of the sun.
Positivity. No say nothing we crush no
You
one.
know? Me soldier them, the 2 first one, the mama take them, and you know, say one a doctor and one a accountant. I make me look good. And I say, Daddy, me don't like when they show me in a slippers and beard up and tan somewhere. Chew up and wear clean clothes, and when you get money, buy clothes to count and send
And
back
make
money.
you eat well.
Yeah, I eat well. No, they know some eat well, man, because they know that.
So how much you take care of 11?
Alright. Then 2 they are foreign, so me know, and them I take care of me now.
Good, good, good.
And me have 4, me they have 5, 6. One go up big and I work at one office.
Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
See the vibe in Jamaica. Oh.
Yes, man. So who
The whole world.
Go see this.
I go see this right now.
So who them go see do it?
Just the vibe, we're not gonna see you. Them
I'm a camera and see because sometimes the world wants to see me.
yeah, we just show them the vibe.
Watch out now. I'm at the world see them. What can I do this so? I'm going to recognize you. You're still alive. What's your name? I'm still alive. Go on, man.
You're sure saying they want to see him?
Yes, buddy, I've been thinking about it.
Alright.
Alright. Everything I carry down this time.
Peter
Pick
King.
up yourself, Peter King.
Peter King.
Original.
Yeah, the original Peter King.
Still alive, you know.
Can no man go see you, you know.
Yeah, man.
They might go call you, you know.
Oh, I see me, man. For a long time. Me a go on. Easy, you say?
Yeah.
Original and them thing on my style.
That's how you deal with it. Now, my beer.
Yeah, man. Original, man. Sharp with me nature. I'm like Joma, Doctor. All this one they call shot. See it, this one they call them gaggle, the big nice one. And them one I eat later, the big one. See it, yeah. Gaggle, see the fat with the roast yam. Look how it's soft, look at it. Then I go right through it and come out. Look, 4 ways. Just want to look at fish butter juice tonight now. Look on it. You see what you call it, the bony fish. So I go and finish it. Original Peter King, man, I'm still alive. Man, the whole of them know. I'm a family big too. Cut it out.